Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another styling try on haul. Today I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I recently purchased from Shein. You guys sounded off in the comments on some of my recent try on haul videos and said you wanted to see Shein. God, that's a mouthful. So today I cannot wait to share with you all the amazing things that I found. I was blown away. I don't know, I placed one other Shein haul recently, but honestly I was pretty I don't know, I just didn't get very many great things. So I wanted to try again and I scoured the site and I found some super cute springtime vacation vibes clothes that I feel like I have to preface this by saying Shein's quality is hit and miss. It's not high quality. If you want to wear these pieces every single day, I wouldn't suggest investing, or I would suggest investing in your everyday wardrobe. And then these are fun ways to kind of amp up your vacation wardrobe or spring wardrobe or something like that. These definitely aren't timeless, fully high quality clothing, but they're a really affordable way to kind of spice up your wardrobe, and I had so much fun. So let's get into it. I have a big haul. I think I purchased maybe 20 things or something like that. I don't know, but I'm so excited. So let's jump into it. All right, so like always, I will show you guys at least one, if not two ways that I styled these pieces, just to kind of give you an idea of the versatility of these pieces day to night or whatever the case may be. This first one is this dress. And honestly, when I saw this dress out, I was like, oh, that print is so wild, but on it's so pretty. I love how flattering this dress is. It's a tie, it ties around your boobs in the middle. It will cover a bra, it covered my bra. I had no issue with it whatsoever. I love the poofy sleeves. There is a zipper to get in and out of on the side, which I thought was nice considering how affordable it was. It cinches you in at the waist with a thicker band, so it's very, very flattering, and then kind of just skater skirt sort of vibes out. I love this. You can wear this with heels, you can wear this with sneakers, you can wear it with sandals. This is such a cute piece. I love the idea of wearing this in Mexico. I want to go to Mexico. If you cannot tell by the end of this video that I want to go to Mexico so bad, then yeah. But this could be an everyday dress as well, or a casual dress with sneakers and a denim jacket or something like that. You can make it very, very everyday, sort of running around Dallas vibes. This next dress that I got is very, very pretty. This reminds me, the print reminds me of an Abercrombie dress that I currently own. The quality is, I'm gonna blanket say the quality on all these pieces is not that great, but it's good enough, if that makes sense. This is super cute. I love the blue and white vibes. I just want to go to Greece now. I want to go everywhere. Can't tell. Their little flutter sleeves are super cute. The neckline is beautiful. This does not have adjustable straps, but you could definitely if you needed to sew them down further, so it's totally you could get this altered. I honestly need to go with a smaller size, so I will link all my sizing down below, but this I felt had a lot of extra room in the sides. I might see if they have it, or I might be able to honestly take it in myself. The only thing I'm concerned about is there is a zipper on the side to get into it, so I would only be able to take it in on one side, and I feel like it might look a little strange. But this is beautiful. It's so lightweight. It's not a thick material. It is not double lined, but it's not see-through in my opinion. I did wear a bra with it. I probably wouldn't, or wear a strapless bra, honestly. I just did for the try on. The slit is moderately, slit sexy, but I just think this is such a pretty dress, especially paired with, oh my God, these earrings that I got that I had no idea how much I would love. How beautiful. These were $1.50 maybe. I don't know. They're a metal kind of Aztec. I love these, especially with sleeked back hair. These are gorgeous. And just it's everything. Everything's so freaking pretty. So I would say this would be a super cute dress for a baby shower, a boy's baby shower, summer graduation. I don't know. I just think it's so freaking pretty. Again, not top tier quality, you're gonna wear this all the time, but for a cute moment, love it. Okay, this next set, I completely stepped out of my comfort zone with this crazy print, and I could not be more happy with this. This skirt is not double lined, but not see-through at all. It has a drawstring waist, and it actually is a functioning drawstring, so you can tighten it. I found that the small is like borderline, like small, but not like uncomfortable by any means. But I love this print. The button, or the little drawstrings have little like beads on them, which I think are super cute. I'm in love with this print. With sandals, with heels, so freaking cute. This top you would not wear a bra with, but it's okay because the like sides are like tight or like loose, but nothing hangs out of them. So yeah, I love this. The straps are not adjustable, but I still think it's very, very pretty. I love this T-back detail. It's more full coverage on the bottom, but less coverage on the top, but I think it is stunning. I'm literally so in love with this piece. Like, so good, so good. Okay, again, I was channeling like vacation vibes, so I'm thinking like airport look with this little sweatsuit. I wanted a sweatsuit in a fun color that I didn't have to spend like over $100 on, like a matching set that's just like whatever, casual. I loved this green. It's like the sagey sort of green. This is like fleece lined, but it's like the fleece line that's not like it's different. It's not like, it's kind of spongy, but I don't care. I like it. I really do like it. I just wanted something that was an affordable like sweatsuit set that I could not dress up, but not like sleep in. Makes sense? Because most of my sweats just end up being sleep-in sweats, and I just did not have a fully matching set, and I've been contemplating buying one, and then I'm just like, I just hate the thought of spending like $100 on a sweatsuit, if not more. So this one was super cute. I love the green. I love, like, I'm thinking airport, throw on a hat, your bum bag, and you are good to go. It's just really cute. But you could also just run around with like a denim jacket and your Birkenstocks and be cute and good to go as well. Okay, this shirt, totally not my vibe at first, but the way I styled it, I was inspired by the model on the site. When I saw it on her, I was like, that is so cute. And I didn't think it looked that good when I pulled it out of the bag. I was like, oh, it looks really cheap. It doesn't look cute. But the way I styled it was very similar to how she styled it, and so cute. So it's got this two-tie front. In the front, I was able to wear a bra, no issues with that at all. It's got a little bit of a poof sleeve, which is super cute. Love the detail. It's like a black print, but super bright with the like white and pink flowers on it and a little bit of green. I love this. You could go with mom jeans with this. You could do skinny jeans and heels. Whatever, they're super cute. I love these little sandals that I picked up. I don't have very like dressy-ish sandals, to be honest with you guys. I need to branch out more. So when I saw these on Shein, I was like, yes, these are cute. They give me like the Hermes vibes, but I love the little faux pearls on them. They're gold. They look really nice and they're comfortable. They're slides. Come on. So yeah, very, very, very happy with these. And I think I just need a pair of like black ones as well. Similar, I don't think I'll go with pearl. I might just go with a plain black pair, but I need a pair of black sandals like this. I just literally have been for a very long time living in my Birkenstocks for the summer. So I wanted to branch out for more dressy outfits to get a pair of kind of dressier slides. So those are super, super cute. Okay, this next piece, I am a sucker for like white eyelet shirts. I think they're just super pretty, especially in the summertime, summer, spring. This I was a little concerned about when I first got it, because I was like, what the heck am I gonna wear underneath it? And I honestly thought I would have to wear like a white bodysuit, but I ended up not needing to, because it looks like the holes are large, but when it's up against your body and you have a nude bra on, it doesn't like look weird. I mean, obviously don't wear like a black bra with it, you know what I mean? I love this. I love the like, it's like a faux collar situation. Super cute. The button details. Love this tucked into a pair of like mom jeans that really cinch in the waist and kind of make you look a little bit wider with a little belt detail. Just stunning. Love this. Absolutely love this. You can wear it very casual with a pair of shorts, dress it up. Okay, this next piece, ooh, I don't know. I have to sound off with this one. It gives me like, not pirate vibes, but like I'm dancing with a fruit bowl on my head. Love the yellow. Fun fact, my favorite color is yellow, but I feel like it doesn't look good on my skin tone, but I don't care. I just went with it. The collar threw me for a loop when I first saw it, but I kind of spread it out. I would not button it all the way up to the top because it's just too much. But I do really like this. I think with jeans, it's super cute. I just don't know if it's like that cute. So sound off, let me know. What do you think? Is it a keep? Is it a go? I just love yellow, and I have no yellow in my wardrobe because I know that I don't look that great in yellow, but I'm sick of like thinking I don't look good in colors, and I'm just gonna say, screw it, I'm gonna wear it. But I'm on the fence about this one. This next top, I wanted to love so bad, and I knew secretly that this was not gonna work. Not secretly, I knew that it wasn't gonna work, but I loved it so much. You can wear a bandeau with it and be fine. I wore nipple covers because, girl, it was just, it's real see-through, but it is so pretty. I feel like if you double lined this, which you honestly could, it would be, it's just so pretty. I love the off the shoulder, or one shoulder moment with the poof sleeve. It's just so cute, but is see-through. So maybe over like a bandeau bathing suit, or like I said, if you've just a nude bandeau, it would probably be really cute. Definitely not like day-to-day wear, more of like vacation wear, but still insanely cute. Okay, this next set is probably, I've said everything is my favorite. Okay, I love this blue color. This is like a linen, it's not a like, it is a linen set. I love these little wooden buttons, so cute. This gives me like breakfast, running to breakfast at a resort. I just wanna go to Mexico. Or running errands to Target or shopping, whatever the case may be. This is just such a cute, like throw on, you're good to go. Comes with matching shorts. The drawstring on this is not actually functional, but that's okay because they are very stretchy. And they have pockets in them. So cute with sandals, so cute with Converse. Just a really nice little summery matching set. Throw it on over your bathing suit to run to the pool. Yeah, I love this. I'm so happy that it's not see-through and it's not like insanely short. It's really cute. And I feel like you could wear these pieces separate as well. You could wear the blue shorts with like a white button down, and you could wear this with anything, obviously. So very cute. Okay, this next shirt I've been seeing like all over, and I don't know if I truly love it. I wanna love it. I love satin silky blouses like this. It's no secret. I get one in pretty much every try on haul I ever do. This one has lions on it. I don't know, I kind of dig it. You'll have to let me know. I styled it with a pair of black jeans and denim, or black heels, because that's probably how I would wear it out to dinner. I don't use this as like a daytime piece. I just don't know if it looks tacky or if it looks like cute. You'll have to let me know, like fashiony. I don't know. I love the color. I like the little lions, but I just don't know if I love it. And I don't love that the inside is like white, so you can't like fold it. I don't know. It's cute. Just sound off, please. Sound off in the comments. Y'all are so good at that. Okay, these next two tops. Okay, I just love everything. I have wanted a pair of like, or a shirt like this, that color blocking. It gives me total like Vineyard Vines, Lily Pulitzer, Ralph Lauren like vibes. I actually just purchased one from Abercrombie because they got it back in stock, and I completely forgot that I grabbed this one. I will say this is like flishy material, which I love but hate. So let me tell you. So first of all, it is so lightweight and breathable because it's not like a thick cotton. So love that about it. I don't love the sound it makes, but I'm okay with it. I could get past it. It just is so pretty. I love this with a pair of shorts. I love this shirt. It's my favorite. I know. Not everybody's cup of tea. I think it's so cute. So grabbed that, and then very similar to that, I grabbed the blue one, and I just paired this like open to show you some different ways you can tuck it or open it. I love buttoned on shirts. Yes, so cute. Throw it over your bathing suit. Again, same material, flishy, not cotton at all. I want to say this is just like straight up polyester. Yep, 100% polyester, and that's okay with me. But I probably, if I found those exact shirts in like a higher quality, I probably would pick the higher quality just because those will be everyday pieces for me. Well, the blue one would be. If this is not an everyday piece for you, again, a great way to get on a trend without just like spending a ton of money. So yes, another little button down t-shirt that I got. I love this abstract print. I don't know, I feel like I'm a walking art piece. Tucked into jeans or tied in the little, you know, front knot situation. So cute, so summery, so like walking around, going to get lunch. I don't know. Mexico, okay? Mexico. I wouldn't necessarily wear this around, but I would love this for vacation. So cute. Love a good short sleeve button down. I have a ton in my collection, but this one's just so fun and abstract. I think that's everything that I got, you guys. I know, it's a lot of pieces, so many fun pieces. Again, quality, overall, like quality and fit, I would say, like compared to like when I used to shop at like places like this back in college, it was like you had no idea what you were getting. But this, I would say, like I was honestly pretty surprised with the quality and the accuracy to what the website is. Like I'm not getting it and I'm like, what is this? But just know beforehand, you're getting a really affordable product, so the quality isn't always going to reflect that, so keep in mind. But for fun vacation pieces or fun ways to just kind of throw in a little bit of color into your wardrobe, I think this is a great place to start. So I will link everything that I just showed down below, as well as any of the extras that I paired to use the outfits with. I'll list those exact items or something very similar, so you can try to recreate the look if you're interested. Let me know again on the tiger shirt and the yellow shirt. Everything else, I mean, I care what you think, but I love, so I'm keeping. Again, if you want to see any other brands, let me know. I'd love to get feedback from you guys to know what brands you want to see next. I will continue to do these videos. You know, I love to do them for Abercrombie, but I want to branch out and see what other brands you guys are curious to check out, or see how I would check out and style and shop their website. So I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.